So in this video, we're going to look at installing a content management system on your website. That's just a fancy term for something on your website that'll actually work. If you go to your website right now, there'll be nothing there. You need to have what's called a content management system there. So Wordpress is what I always recommend. So we're going to proceed to the custom area after our purchase. Or if you're logging back in, you just click onto My Accounts here. So we're here, I'm going to click My Accounts. And from there, I'm going to look for this button here that says go to cPanel. All right, so I go to cPanel here, proceed to that, and then on this is where we're going to locate the area to install our WordPress content management system. So I go down to Softaculous, it's called, with Siteground. And in fact, they've even got a WordPress button now, so I can even just click WordPress. And you go down and simply click install now. Right, so I'll just go through some settings here, for example, to help you out. So Siteground support will actually help you get this to be a HTTPS, as in a secure protocol site, which I really recommend you do. Otherwise, people get warnings when they go to your website saying this site's not secure. And even if you're not selling anything yet, it turns some people off. So for now, you just have that HTTP because you don't have a what's called an SSL certificate, but we will change that shortly. There's the domain I want to use. Leave this blank. Site name, you can change these later, so you can change it to whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. You can change them now, or you can change them when you're in your WordPress site. So I'm just going to leave them as they are. You don't need multi-site for now. Admin username and password, you can set this to whatever you want. Okay, so you can type in things that you want. I mean, I'm just going to use admin and put in a new password here. Which I'll do shortly when I've done the when I can blur that out. And the admin email, again, it doesn't even matter what this is. You can change this later, but I'm going to leave it as admin@mattphillipshq.com. For me, English is fine. I'm not going to enable the limit login attempts thing. I don't need this contact form. Theme to install, you don't need to install one at this point. And under the advanced options, you don't need to touch that either. And that's it. So now it'll install WordPress on your site. Okay, and then from there, you can actually go straight to your website and you'll see that it is sitting there. And there it is, WordPress site, my blog, my WordPress blog. And that is how you install WordPress on your domain. There's your domain all set up, nothing really there, but it is a website.